No, yeah, no, no.
What is up, my lovely peeps of the internet? It's your boy Tim, and welcome to the channel. Marvel Avengers Endgame is coming out, literally for us, tomorrow. But I thought it'd be fun to do a little inspire hairstyle / tutorial for you guys. It's gonna be Steve Rogers, aka Captain America, from the hairstyle from Infinity War. I don't know where you have the same hairstyle in Endgame or not, because I try to avoid all the spoilers until I actually catch in the movie. And as you guys can tell, I'm a big Marvel fan. The pops, tattoos, yeah. Let's talk about the equipment I want to use for this tutorial. The product, Hairstyle claymation, a nice brush, and a hair dryer. Yeah, let's just get started. First thing you want to do is wet your hair. Then use a towel to soak up the excess water. Then use a blow dryer to style and dry out your hair by combing your hair back with your fingers. Once your hair is completely dry and slightly styled, grab your styling product. I'm using Hairstyle claymation and scoop about a dime size amount onto your hand. Rub the product between your hands to warm up the product so it's easier to apply to your hair. Now comb your hair with your fingers, placing the product in between your hair strands. You want to run your fingers from the front of your head to the back to create a slick back style. Once you feel that the product is evenly applied, use your brush to finish the slick back. And then run your fingers through your hair to create a messy look that we are going for. Next, take about a ½ inch of hair on the side to create a side bang. After that, the look is complete. I would like to say that my hair isn't like Captain America's, and this is an inspired look. He has longer hair all around, while I have shorter hair on the side and back, but my top is slightly longer. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like the video, please subscribe, please share, and also comment down below if you Team Cap or Team Iron Man.